How to fix Discord DM. Hello guys, how it's going? How is your day going today? I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. When you found guys Discord, just open it like this and go directly to storage and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.